Do you know what makes an assessor effective in an assessment center? A vital part of the recruitment process? Assessment centers are crucial in predicting a candidate's future performance. It's the assessors who make this possible. They are the ones who evaluate, judge, and predict. But how do you prepare and develop effective assessors? Let's dive into this fascinating topic. The first step to preparing and developing assessors is selection and recruitment. It begins with identifying the required skills and competencies. Ideally, assessors should have relevant expertise in the target job area, strong analytical and interpersonal skills, and proficiency in observing and recording behavior. But where do you find these assessors? The answer might be closer than you think. Considering both internal and external sources can be beneficial. Internal assessors provide a deep understanding of the company culture and roles, while external assessors bring fresh perspectives and varied industry experience. Mixing the two can be highly effective. Once you have your team of assessors, it's time for training and development. This phase is crucial. It's about equipping assessors with a thorough understanding of the assessment center process, scoring criteria, candidate evaluation techniques, and bias mitigation strategies. The training should be comprehensive, interactive, and practical. It should focus on key areas such as job analysis, competency modeling, exercise administration, observation and evaluation, group dynamics, and ethical considerations. But the journey doesn't stop there. To ensure assessors continue to improve and stay up to date, ongoing support and development are crucial. This can take the form of mentorship and coaching, calibration exercises, feedback and reflection, and continuous professional development opportunities. Finally, it's important to highlight the essential qualities and attributes of effective assessors. They should have deep subject matter expertise, strong observation skills, analytical and critical thinking skills, objectivity, effective communication skills, and the ability to build rapport with candidates. In conclusion, the success of an assessment center heavily relies on the effectiveness of its assessors. By selecting the right assessors, providing comprehensive training, ensuring ongoing development, and fostering essential qualities, organizations can make the most of their assessment centers and predict the future performance of their candidates with confidence.